Namaskar. I'm Shivangi Patnaik. Welcome to our channel Shobha Life is Beautiful. Happy Independence Day everyone. On this Independence Day, I want to share some of our views upon what freedom means to you. As I understand, freedom means owning your responsibilities, making decisions on your own, standing tall with your aspirations and putting 100% effort into it, realizing your mistakes, pushing your own limits, and above all, leading a peaceful life. Of course, in this lockdown situation, everyone wants to be free from this bondage of four walls. But remember, independence is conserving our environment. Protect our environment by staying home. Be safe, stay home.
Freedom. The dictionary meaning of freedom is the power or right to act, speak, think as one wants. The state of not being forced by anybody to do anything. I think it is the correct meaning, but in my opinion, we should think about the different stages of life where freedom is very much required. Freedom may be different for different stages of life. I have to write something because it is a very nice topic and we cannot say anything about freedom spontaneously. So I have written something and I would like to share with you all. According to the study of psychology, the human life is mostly divided into different stages like infancy, childhood, adolescent period, middle age period and old age. During infancy, so I would like to divide the phases of freedom according to the stage of life also. During infancy, the freedom means doing anything, anywhere, as a child can do any type of nature call anywhere, or he is not imposed by anybody to read at a particular time, to play at a particular time. They can sleep for 22 hours or something like that. No force is there that is called the freedom at that period. And then comes the childhood. Freedom may mean to her or him as getting the time to spend more time in playing games, watching TV, and not to be forced to read any time, or not to be forced to act at any time, even he or she wants to do at the time or not. And after that, the period of adolescence comes, and this is the most important period where there occurs a generation gap between the parents and the children, and here the children always want to spend more of their time with the peer group. They think that at this period only her friends or his friends will understand his feeling or her feeling, and this is the period of 13 to 19, the teenage period, when they should get the freedom to think about their stream of studying. They should get the freedom of choice of their livelihood or occupation, and the child feels more closer with the peer group, and they should feel free to choose everything what they want in their life, not to be forced by any of the parent. Then comes the middle age. Here I think both men and women should get the equal chance to feel free to think, to act, and to lead his or her own life. The person should not get the accurate space. The person should get the perfect space or perfect time to be feeling free when he or she wants to share something, or he or she wants to how to spend the time at that particular time. So nobody should interfere in these matters, and they should not impose them to do the thing what the other person likes or wants. So freedom is very much important in the middle age, and I think we should understand as a woman, I should understand the feeling of a girl or woman, and a man should also understand the feeling of a man. and accordingly they should decide what to do and what not to do. And the only the female person should not be imposed to do every household chore alone, and should not be ordered, and should not be and other persons of the family should not be biased. I you should understand what I mean to say. Last but not the least, here comes the old age, and we should think that in everyone's life all these phases will come, and each person should go through the last stage of life. Here also we should not impose our restrictions and order on the old age people. They should get enough space to lead their life with freedom of speech, act and think. So freedom, very nice topic. Until now I think that after the 74th year of independence also, the full freedom we are not getting as a citizen of India, or as a member of a family, or as a person of the society. So we should think and we should act accordingly. Thank you very much.
Happy Independence to one and all. I hope you all are safe and fine everywhere. Yes, today's topic is freedom. Freedom has got an important meaning in everyone's life. Freedom means Azadi in Hindi and Swadhinata in Odia. For a child, freedom means when she is given the chance to choose her own toy. That is freedom. For an adult, freedom means when he or she is given the chance to speak anything in front of anyone. Is freedom. Yes. But freedom for me, in my words, is when anyone can come and knock my door at any moment of time for any kind of job. Is freedom. When I can go and knock anyone's door at any moment of time for any kind of help, is freedom. And freedom for me is giving space and happiness to each other in any relationship. Yes, in any relationship. When you give space and happiness, then there is a lot of freedom. Yeah, there is a lot of freedom. And freedom of speech is also an important thing in our life. But it should always be in a calculated way that should not lead to any kind of chaos in our life and in anyone's life. Yes, we should keep that in our mind. Unless we are forced to say something. Yes. And freedom is well defined. I understood the meaning of freedom when my parents, they gave me the chance to choose or take decisions regarding my own life. Yes, take decisions regarding my own life in every field. I was very fortunate that they had given me the chance, to my sisters also, same chance to take the decisions. That too in a very analytical way. Yes, we should be allowed to give freedom, but it should never bring any kind of turmoil or chaos in anyone's life. I hope we should not get confused with the word freedom. Thank you all. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Stay safe, stay home. Bye. Take care.
Hello everyone, I'm Himangi Patnaik of 12th Humanities. As years pass, the meaning of independence evolves for all of us in different ways, since freedom is multifaceted. However, we would agree that during these trying times, Independence for all of us is to get rid of the current situation which has kept us locked in the four walls of our home. I'm a bibliophile, and personally, independence for me is when I'll be finally able to go to a bookshop or a library without even having to think twice and indulge in reading lots of books for hours together. Looking from a broader aspect, true independence lies in everyone's happiness. My country will be independent when there will be elimination of inequalities and discrimination. And of course, when everyone is living their lives to the fullest. With this, wishing you all a very happy Independence